Imagine a machine that doesn't just travel across continents but redefines what luxury on wheels even means. The 2026 Bugatti Motor Home is not simply a vehicle, not merely a rolling residence, but a moving statement of power, elegance, and uncompromising craftsmanship. This is the idea of Bugatti taken beyond the limits of hypercars and translated into a grand touring palace designed for those who believe the journey itself should feel as extraordinary as the destination. From the moment the Bugatti Motor Home comes into view, it commands attention with a presence that feels sculpted rather than assembled. The proportions are dramatic yet refined, blending the muscular confidence of a grand tourer with the commanding scale of a luxury motorhome. Every curve seems intentional, flowing seamlessly from front to rear, inspired by Bugatti's unmistakable design language. The signature horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, reinterpreted to suit a vehicle of this scale, flanked by razor-sharp LED lighting that gives the motorhome an unmistakably futuristic gaze. The bodywork is crafted from lightweight composite materials and aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring strength without unnecessary mass, while deep metallic paint finishes and hand-polished accents reflect Bugatti's obsession with perfection. As the doors glide open, the experience shifts from awe to immersion. Stepping inside feels less like entering a vehicle and more like walking into a private luxury suite. The interior is a symphony of materials chosen not just for beauty but for emotion. Hand-stitched leather sourced from the finest hides wraps every surface within reach, paired with brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, and rare wood veneers that are finished by master craftsmen. The color palettes are customizable, allowing each owner to create an interior that reflects their personal taste, whether that means a bold contrast of dark leather and bright accents or a calm, understated blend of warm neutrals. The living space is designed with the philosophy that luxury should never feel cramped. Despite its mobile nature, the Bugatti Motor Home offers an open, flowing layout that maximizes both comfort and functionality. A spacious lounge area welcomes passengers with plush seating that adjusts electronically to provide perfect support whether relaxing, dining, or entertaining. Ambient lighting subtly shifts throughout the day, mimicking natural light cycles and enhancing mood while on the road. Large panoramic windows line the sides, offering breathtaking views of landscapes as they pass by, all while maintaining privacy through advanced smart glass technology. At the heart of this motorhome is a kitchen that rivals those found in high-end residences. Precision-crafted cabinetry hides state-of-the-art appliances seamlessly integrated into the design. Induction cooktops, a convection oven, a built-in espresso machine, and a climate-controlled wine storage system ensure that gourmet meals are always within reach, no matter how remote the location. Every drawer and surface operates with soft-close precision, reinforcing the sense that no detail has been overlooked. The bedroom area elevates rest into an experience of pure indulgence. A king-sized bed sits at the center, wrapped in fine linens and positioned to offer both privacy and openness. Intelligent climate control maintains the perfect temperature throughout the night, while advanced sound insulation creates a sanctuary of silence even when parked in bustling environments. Storage is abundant yet discreet, ensuring personal belongings are kept organized without disturbing the visual harmony of the space. The bathroom continues the theme of refined luxury with spa-inspired design. Marble-style surfaces, brushed metal fixtures, and rainfall showers transform everyday routines into moments of relaxation. Heated floors, towel warmers, and premium toiletries complete the experience, making it easy to forget that you are inside a vehicle rather than a luxury suite. Technology plays a central role in defining the Bugatti Motor Home, but it is integrated so seamlessly that it never overwhelms the senses. A centralized control system allows occupants to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security with intuitive gestures or voice commands. High-definition displays are discreetly placed throughout the interior, offering access to navigation, media, and real-time vehicle data. An immersive surround sound system, tuned specifically for the cabin's acoustics, delivers concert-quality audio whether enjoying music, films, or quiet ambience. Performance is where the Bugatti name truly asserts itself, even in a vehicle of this nature. The motorhome is powered by a cutting-edge hybrid drivetrain that balances immense power with efficiency and smoothness. Electric motors provide silent, emissions-free movement in urban environments, while a high-performance combustion engine ensures effortless cruising on highways and mountain roads alike. Acceleration feels surprisingly confident for a vehicle of this size, and the ride quality remains composed and stable thanks to adaptive suspension technology that continuously adjusts to road conditions. Driving the Bugatti Motor Home is designed to be as rewarding as being a passenger. The cockpit blends luxury with advanced ergonomics, offering a commanding view of the road and intuitive controls placed exactly where the driver expects them. Advanced driver assistance systems provide an added layer of confidence, including adaptive cruise control, lane management, and intelligent parking assistance that makes maneuvering such a large vehicle remarkably stress-free. Sustainability is thoughtfully woven into the concept, reflecting the future-focused mindset of modern luxury. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems when stationary, while energy-efficient appliances and smart resource management reduce environmental impact without sacrificing comfort. This approach ensures that the Bugatti Motor Home is not just a symbol of excess, but a forward-thinking vision of responsible luxury travel. What truly sets the 2026 Bugatti Motor Home apart is the emotional experience it creates. It is not designed for mass production or casual ownership, but for a select few who see travel as an art form. This is a vehicle for crossing continents in unmatched comfort, for waking up to sunrise over deserts or coastlines without ever leaving your private sanctuary. It represents freedom elevated to its highest form, where movement and stillness coexist in perfect harmony. Every journey taken in the Bugatti Motor Home becomes a story worth telling. It is a place where innovation meets heritage, where engineering brilliance supports a lifestyle defined by elegance and ambition. This is not simply a new category of vehicle, but a reimagining of what it means to explore the world in ultimate luxury. The 2026 Bugatti Motor Home stands as a bold vision of the future, one where the road itself becomes a destination, and every mile is traveled in absolute perfection.